All right, girl. So I started publishing books on Amazon KDP back in 2018, specifically coloring books. And since then, I've sold over 60,000 books worldwide, built a multiple six-figure business, created courses, consulting programs, digital products, and even landed media features because of books. And that's exactly why I believe AI and Amazon together might be one of the biggest once-in-a-lifetime opportunities beginners ever had. Now, when most people hear Amazon KDP, they think, maybe I can make a few extra dollars and get this royalty check. Maybe I can start this little side hustle. Or maybe even I could create one book. But what if I told you that one book could become an entire business? So today I want to share 3 reasons why I believe AI and KDP are a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for beginners. And trust me, if I was starting over today, this is exactly how I'd be looking at it. Let's get into it. So the first reason I believe AI and KDP are a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity is because you no longer need a team. AI is your team. And I don't think most people realize how next level that really is. When I created my first book, I remember spending weeks just trying to figure out who I needed. First, I needed an illustrator. Then I had to wait for the illustrations. Then if that illustrator didn't do covers, I had to find somebody else for the cover. And I had to figure out formatting, how to publish the book. And every time I turned around, I was like, I'm gonna need to hire another person. And every person costs money and extra time. And the reason I had to do all of that is because ChatGPT didn't exist. Canva AI didn't exist. Midjourney didn't exist. So if you wanted to create a book, you had to figure everything out the hard way. Now compare that to today. Today, a beginner with an idea can sit down and start making progress immediately. What used to take me 4 to 6 weeks can now be done in a fraction of the time. And I'm super happy about it for y'all. Now, don't get me wrong. AI does not replace vision. AI should not replace creativity. AI is simply a tool, but AI does remove a lot of the barriers that used to stop people from getting started. Let me show you what I mean. So let's say I wanted to research coloring book ideas. I can literally ask ChatGPT for niche ideas to get started in seconds. Need help writing a book description? AI can help with that too. Need help creating coloring book images? AI can help with that as well. Child, AI got your back. Now, if you want to learn how to create coloring books using Canva AI, I do have a full step-by-step tutorial that I'll link in the description below. And if you want to learn how to create coloring books using Midjourney, I also have a full course where I walk you through everything from the initial idea all the way to getting a copy in your hands. Plus, you'll get access to my community where you can ask questions and get support all along the way. I'll put both links in the description for you. But this is why I believe this opportunity is different. Because before you needed a team. Today, one person can accomplish things that used to require multiple people. But most people think the opportunity is simply creating a book faster. No, not necessarily. The real opportunity is what that one book can actually become. And that's what brings me to reason number 2 of why I believe AI and KDP are a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. If you would have told me back in 2018 that one book would eventually lead to multiple businesses, I would have been like, child, for real. Because when I published my first coloring book, I wasn't trying to build a brand. I was just trying to finally finish the book and get it published. I wasn't thinking about no courses. And truthfully, I wasn't even thinking about book number 2. As a matter of fact, I remember telling my spiritual mom after I published book number 1, I was like, do you know people are asking me for more coloring books? She was like, make more. I was just excited to see my book available on Amazon. Y'all don't know how much trial and error went into that first book. The formatting errors, the uploading errors, trying to figure everything out with no real step-by-step roadmap. I definitely wasn't thinking 10 steps ahead. I was thinking, girl, let's just get this thing published. And the thing I loved about Amazon the most was that you could publish your book for absolutely free. But over time, people bought the book. Then they wanted more books. So one book became a series, then a series became a brand. Then people started asking questions about how I created the book. That led to consulting, courses. Then I even created coloring pencils, y'all. Like seriously, I really never thought something like this was possible. I mean, custom pencils with skin tone colors of real people's names that you couldn't find on keychains growing up. And then eventually that one coloring book grew into multiple businesses. See what I'm saying? What I thought was a coloring book was actually a seed. And over time, that seed grew into a tree. The book was the trunk, but then new branches started growing. And every branch produced different fruit. That's why I tell people all the time, don't just think about the book. Start with the end in mind. Think about what the book could become. For example, let's say you create a simple journal. most people would stop there. But entrepreneurs don't stop there. That same journal could become a hardcover journal, a digital journal, a workbook, a course, a membership. Same idea, multiple products. Just think about that for a second. You don't need 5 ideas. You need one good idea and then you expand it. Branches. That's exactly what businesses do every day. One idea, multiple offers. Or maybe you create a devotional. That devotional could become a devotional book, a Bible study guide, a workbook, a YouTube channel. Again, one idea, multiple products. Because the real opportunity isn't publishing one book. The real opportunity is building a business around that one idea. Now, every product becomes another building block, another branch, another opportunity to serve your audience. And that's how real businesses are built. Now, before we get into reason number 3, let me know if you enjoy this type of content by leaving down in the comments, girl, this is tea, so that I know to keep putting out more content like this. Now, here's where things start getting really exciting. Because once you understand that one idea can become an entire business, here's the next thing most beginners never think about. Even if you create a successful book on KDP, even if you create and build a successful business, you still want ownership. And that's reason number 3 of why I believe AI and KDP are a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. This is something a lot of KDP channels never talk about. One of the biggest mistakes I see beginners make is building everything on Amazon. Now, don't get me wrong. I love Amazon. I get a check from them every single month. Making passive income on Amazon changed my life. But we don't own Amazon. Your Amazon customers aren't really yours. And your Amazon platform isn't really yours either. If you follow this channel, you probably know that one day I logged into my email and saw that my KDP account had been terminated. For a period of time, like a couple months, my books were unavailable. And that experience reminded me why it's so important not to build your entire business on a platform you don't own. That's why I always encourage people to start building things they actually own, like an email list, a website, a community. Because if Amazon disappeared tomorrow, those things would still belong to you. For example, one of the things I wish I would have focused more on earlier was building a website to use to grow my email list faster. Because when you own the relationship, you could continue serving people long after they buy their first product with you. So the same AI that's helping people create books can now help people create websites too. In fact, in my last video, I showed how to use AI to build an entire website using Hosting or Horizon, simply by describing what I wanted. No coding, no developer. I literally told AI what I wanted my website to do, and it started building it for me. And then if that was too hard for y'all, I made a follow-up step-by-step video where you could literally copy my exact system using my template. If you missed that video, definitely go watch it after this one, because it completely changed the way I think about building online businesses. As a matter of fact, let's take a look at the template I created for you if you don't know how to start. So if you visit hostinger.com/Latoya, scroll down to the middle of the page where you see the template section, and you'll see the recommended template that Hostinger was so nice to recommend. Click on preview, and then you'll be able to see exactly how the template looks. I literally did all the work for you. All you have to do is customize it, upload your specific books. So we have the home section, the shop page, and then the about page. You would just switch that out for your story. And then the contact page, and then you have your email sign up, your privacy policy, your terms and conditions. All you would do is simply customize it. So once your book gets published, I recommend ordering you some author copies and selling your book directly from your website as well. Remember, the goal isn't just to create products. The goal is to own what you create. And because I love y'all so much, I actually have a bonus reason why I believe AI and Amazon KDP are a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. And that is because you never know where one book might lead. One of the things I never expected when I published my first coloring book is where it would eventually lead. But y'all, that one decision opened doors I never saw coming. And one of those doors eventually led to Subscribe to Jesus. Now, if you've never heard of Subscribe to Jesus, it's my online ministry where I help people grow in their relationship with Jesus through Bible tools, encouragement, and practical Bible teaching for everyday life. Because like I've been saying for a while now, God wants people to have relationship with him. If this is something you're interested in, I'll link it in the description for you below as well. One reason I bring that up is because when I published my first book, I never connected those two things together. I thought one road would lead you one way and one road would lead you another way. I would have never thought one day this publishing journey is going to give me influence. One day this publishing journey is going to teach me how to serve people online, how to teach people online, and ultimately lead me into the ministry that God had been preparing me for since I was a child and through my whole entire life. But that's exactly what happened. The books taught me how to create content. The books taught me how to create websites. Books taught me how to serve an audience. The books taught me how to teach online. The books taught me how to keep showing up even when no one was watching. And years later, God used many of those same skills in a completely different way. Again, that's why I always tell people, don't just think about the book, because you're looking at the book. God is looking at the doors the book can open. You're looking at the product. God is looking at the person you're becoming during the process. And that's why I believe this opportunity is so special. Not because every book will become a ministry, not because every book will become $1 million business, but because you never know where one decision, one idea, or one book might lead. So start and create the book. Learn the skills, build something you own, and trust God all along the way. So those are the 3 reasons and a bonus that I believe that AI and KDP are a once in a lifetime opportunity. Hopefully this video helped you see that the opportunity isn't just publishing a book. The opportunity is what the book can become: a business, a brand, a website, a YouTube channel, a community, or something completely different that you can't even see yet. Now, this is the year you're finally gonna do this, right? Y'all, we in June, come on now. After you're gone, let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy this type of content, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe so that I know to keep creating more videos like this for you. I'm Latoya Nicole. Until next time, bye-bye.